Welcome to Pet Name Hub. Subscribe now for the cutest pet name ideas.
1. Ace, first or number 1, confident and strong. 2. Apollo, Greek god of the sun and music. 3. Axel, father of peace, cool and edgy. 4. Ash, ash tree, sleek and subtle. 5. Archer, bowman, precise and focused. 6. Alfie, diminutive of Alfred, wise counselor. 7. Atlas, titan who held up the sky, strong and reliable. 8. Aspen, tree name, also a wintry mountain vibe. 9. Arrow, swift and sharp, perfect for a fast dog. 10. AC, variant of ace, excellent or top rank. 11. Ares, Greek god of war, bold and powerful. 12. Andy, short for Andrew, manly or brave. 13. Aero, air, light, quick, and energetic. 14. Amos, Hebrew origin, carried by God. 15. Artie, short for Arthur, noble or courageous. 16. Alvin, noble friend, charming and loyal. 17. Ajax, hero in Greek mythology, strong and fearless. 18. Abbot, father or leader, wise and calm. 19. Archie, truly brave, cheerful and friendly. 20. Arrowan, a fantasy name, arrow-like spirit. 21. Axel, rock and roll vibe, variant of Axel. 22. Ashby, ash tree farm, rustic and cool. 23. Avery, ruler of the elves, mystical and elegant. 24. Arlo, fortified hill, trendy and calm. 25. Albus, Latin for white, also from Harry Potter. 26. Aeson, invented name, modern and slick. 27. Ansel, God's protection, gentle and artistic. 28. Argo, name of the ship in Greek legend. 29. Aston, East Town, posh and polished. 30. Adler, German for eagle, sharp and regal. 31. Angus, Celtic, one strength, tough and sturdy. 32. Avi, Hebrew for father, short and sweet. 33. Astro, related to stars, curious and bright. 34. Auburn, French origin, white or bright. 35. Auron, golden, radiant and unique. 36. Armand, desire or wish, soft and warm. 37. Aldo, old and wise, noble sounding. 38. Aegis, shield, protector-like name. 39. Alaric, ruler of all, regal and rare. 40. Aro, Finnish form of Aaron, mountain of strength. 41. Ashen, pale and mysterious, elegant. 42. Astonic, invented name, intense and dynamic. 43. Argus, mythical watchman with 100 eyes. 44. Alto, high in Italian, musical and graceful. 45. Abyss, deep and mysterious, for dark-coated dogs. 46. Atom, tiny but powerful, for small energetic dogs. 47. Adonis, Greek god of beauty and desire. 48. Ether, mythical fifth element, ethereal. 49. Azel, Hebrew, God is my strength. 50. Avid, eager or enthusiastic, energetic dog.